Namaste, Adab, Sat Shri Akal. A very cheerful morning, everyone present here. Good morning, everyone. On behalf of Savan Public School, I'm your host for this morning, Pallavi Arora, and I extend my warm welcome to all of you present here. I'm glad as we all gather here for Christmas celebrations. Well, my first and my foremost duty to welcome our Honorable Managing Director. She is an aviator, and under her stewardship, the school has made a great progress, and we are hopeful that the institution will spread the path of success of leaps and bounds under her guidance. She is none other than our MD, the founder of Savan Public School, Mrs. Indira Khurana. Please give a big round of applause for her. Now, I feel privileged to extend my warm welcome to our Honorable Administrator, Mr. Anurag Khurana, who have worked so hard and with whole heart to make this world a better place. An idol of knowledge, experience, and inspiration to all of us. We welcome you to this special day. Please welcome him with 100 of applause. Now, I would like to welcome or thank you for all to taking the time out from your busy schedule and marking your presence. Thank you so much, teachers, students, parents, to be the part of Christmas celebrations of Savan Public School. On this eve of Christmas, let us shed the veil of loneliness and selfishness, and let us break the door of divide and open our arms to all. Let's act on Jesus' teaching and make the world a better place. Audience, without wasting your precious time, sir, ma'am, permit us to start the program. Thank you so much, ma'am. All right. चलिए कुछ काम ऐसे करते हैं, रोशन गली और मोहल्ला करते हैं। माँ शारदा के चरणों में वंदन करके आज के कार्यक्रम का श्री गणेश करते हैं। Light brings with its brightness and removes the darkness. We are living in that country on which we remember our God before starting any good work. Now I invite our Honorable Administrator, respected MD, and all the dignitaries on stage to present or to lighting the lamp in front of Ma Saraswati. Please, and please give a big round of applause for them. Thank you so much for bringing down God's blessings on all of us. As we light the candle, let's open our heart to receive the light of Jesus. Ladies and gentlemen, Christmas is all about celebrations. Have the music play and make a good cheer because Christmas comes once in a year. Audience, are you excited to listen a brilliant song? Audience, are you excited to listen a brilliant song? Yes? Yes, okay. Sometimes it only takes one good song to bring thousands of good old memories. Now, I would like to invite one of our teacher, Mr. Ajay Doda, on stage for a brilliant song. Come on everyone, let's enjoy this song and give a big round of applause for him.
Hello, 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 hello. Good morning, everyone. I said good morning. Good morning, everyone. So, as ma'am announced that I have got a chance to perform in front of you. Few days back, when it was finalized that I'm going to perform a song in front of you, so I was thinking that which song should I perform here? And I want to tell you one thing more that today is my mother's death anniversary as well. In the morning, I was busy there, so I will perform a song which my mother used to sing with me. And पिछले दिनों जो भी कुछ हुआ, पिछले 9 मंथ से वो अच्छा नहीं हुआ. हम बहुत कुछ कर सकते थे और हम नहीं कर पाए. तो आने वाले समय में ऐसा कुछ ना हो, तो उसके लिए I would like that each and everyone who is sitting here pray with me to the God, to the Almighty, that whatever past we cannot do anything for that, but whatever is coming, that should be the great best one for each and everyone. So first of all, I will say two lines for my mother. 2 लाइनें मैं अपनी मदर के लिए गाऊंगा और उसके बाद जो मेरी मदर मुझे सुना करती थी वो मैं प्रेयर आपको सुनाऊंगा. मैं किवें भुलावा प्यार तेरा, तेरी ममता ते दुलार तेरा. ओ खुद चलदी रही ततिया बाबा, खुद चलदी रही ततिया बाबा, ननु करके ठंडड़ी छा. हर जन्म देन नहीं दे सकता तेरे एहसाना दावा. जो रुता दे नाल ले आउंदी तेरे लिए मैं उड़ते होवां. हर जन्म बने तू माँ मेरी, हर जन्म में तेरा पुत्र होवां. अज जो विया मैं जग उत्ते, अज जो मिया मैं जग उत्ते, एक तेरे करके हर जन्म देन दे सकता तेरे एहसाना. आई होप आपको भी अपने मदर्स के लिए कुछ फीलिंग्स पैदा हुई होंगी. तो मैं आपको अब वो कुछ लाइन सुनाऊंगा, वो प्रेयर, और मैं चाहूंगा कि आप मेरे साथ साथ बोलें जो मेरी मदर मुझसे सुना करती थी. कोई कहे दादा सच्चे माल का मन समझे ना ऐसी गोल चंगी नूदा सलमान जिदा नाम ये सरूर अखा खुलिया अखा बंद होवण कोई सोण मिले कोई गोण मिले कोई मोण मिले याद करना साईं तेरा बेटा खड़ा फरियाद करदा साईं ओ सच्ची फरियाद मेरे साईं मोहम्मद मेरा बने लाई साईं मेरे गुनाहां नूं लुकाई साईं हाजरा हजूर विखवाई साईं सच्ची फरियाद तेरी साईं मोहम्मद Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, sir. Wow, what a splendid performance. Sir, you made us emotional as well as atmosphere you created happier and graceful. Christmas isn't a season, it's a feeling. God so loved the world that he gave his one and only Son, that whoever believes in him shall not perish but have eternal life. Today, we all are here to celebrate the birth of God, begotten Jesus Christ. For this, I would like to invite our band group on stage to celebrate the coming of a new year with new hopes and prayer. Come on, audience, please give 100 of claps for our lovely teachers.
Hello. Thank you.
Thank you so much, teachers, for a beautiful prayer. May this remembrance and celebrations of the birth of Lord bring us hope, courage to continue serving especially the poor in our world. We rarely get this kind of opportunity to listen to the words of great personality. We have the privilege of inviting our administrator, Mr. Anurag Khurana, on the dais to address the gathering. Please give a big round of applause for him.
Good morning to all the teachers who are present over here and the students and their parents who are sitting at home of Savan Public School. I hope that you all are having a great day today. On this occasion of a virtual celebration of Christmas Day 2020, I would like to take this opportunity to give my best wishes of Merry Christmas to all of you. I wish every single one of you all the peace and happiness, and my wishes that may you all be getting a safe, prosperous, and above all, a healthy 2021 year. The students who are sitting at home, you must be aware that during the normal times, we used to have the tradition of celebrating the Christmas Day in our school in a very enthusiastic way. Senior kids used to come and decorate the Christmas trees and exhibit the beautiful, attractive displays. And junior kids of pre-primary and primary, they used to come in beautiful Santa Claus dresses and play games with the teachers, with their fellow students, with their friends, and do merry. But scenario this year is totally different. I think students are missing the schools because we all are missing our students in school. And I'm sure that students are also missing their classrooms, they are missing the playgrounds, they are missing the daily schedule of getting up early in the morning and taking bath and coming to school in uniform with their school bags and with their tiffin boxes, and used to enjoy the conventional method of learning, teachers teaching in front of them. During the recess, enjoy the tiffin boxes, sharing the food with the parents, enjoying the responsibilities of monitors, house captains, vice captains, everything. You must be missing, we know that. Because some of the times parents used to come in my office and often ask me about the status of reopening of schools. They often ask when the schools are going to reopen, which we are also not sure. They say that students sitting at home, they are feeling depressed, they are feeling irritated because such a long time has passed, or almost 9 years has passed, that they have not come to school. And we all are social people, we enjoy the social fabric, we used to enjoy with our friends, with our teachers. And sometimes एक parent ने मुझे बताया, the student was asking कि why our generation is facing this pandemic time, why COVID has happened to our time. I think this is not the time to do worry about that. I think we should consider ourselves that we are lucky enough that this COVID time has occurred to us in a very early stage of life. And we should learn from this pandemic. We should learn how to deal with our nature, how to give respect to our nature. Because everything that happened is due to the reason that we have not cared our nature. The other day I was searching on some social media. I found an important chart because students were saying that this pandemic has happened to us. Students, if you see the 19th century people, lot of hardship happened to them. 19th century में जो भी लोग पैदा हुए थे बहुत ज़्यादा. I have a chart written for you for that. When the year 1914 came, the First World War happened. And that World War took nearly 22 million lives. And that World War ended for 4 years, 1914 to 1918. Then the year came 1920. What happened in the 1920? There was a spread of Spanish flu, which is similar to the COVID virus. That was also a pandemic and that took around 5 to 6 crore people lives. That flu also ended for 2 to 3 years. Then 1930, in the year 1930, there was Great Depression. That Great Depression occurred, जिसे हम आर्थिक मंदी भी कहते हैं. The whole of the economy fall to around 27%. तो उसके बाद क्या हुआ लास्ट में 1939 में there was a second world war. So in a very short span of time from 1914 to 1944, almost 30 years has passed, and four major hardships happened to that people. And even then, after these hardships, when that ended, they grew up again, and we are seeing they are living a very progressive and very prosperous life. So these hardships often happen to us. We should not do worry about that, and instead we should learn from that. Not taking much of your time, we know that we are coming to the end of this calendar year, 2020. It's certainly a very challenging year for schools and whole of the learning processes all over the globe. And in this difficult time of COVID, thanks to the community of dedicated parents and to my teachers who always went the extra mile in terms of imparting online live classes to our students at a very early stage of COVID through the innovative methods of learning. And because of the amazing resilience of the parents shown, and because of the parents who supported us, and because of the hope and optimism shown by our teachers during this learning process, we bounced back in our Savan Public School, and we are now on the track of completing our curriculum and our syllabus. In the end, Merry Christmas to all of you. I hope that this coming year, will be corona-free and we all will be having a very normal, prosperous and healthy life. Merry Christmas to all of you. May God bless you, Savan Public School. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. That was indeed motivating, extremely informative, inspiring, and enriching messages to our worthy audience. Nowadays, the major threat is COVID-19. This pandemic has created a terror among all. To take away this negativity and to create awareness on COVID-19, I would like to invite a group of teachers on stage to present mine on coronavirus. Please, teachers, come on the stage and give a big round of applause. Urvashi ma'am. What a mind! What a mind! I must say it was very lovely scene to witness indeed. You all made us laugh and cry without saying a word.
So I think it was easily understandable to each and every one of you. So first of all, teachers, please introduce yourself.
Good morning, everyone. Myself, Sanjoli. I am taking PGT Chemistry. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. I am Anju Nagpal, maths teacher. Thank you.
Good morning, all of you. My name is Muskan. I am maths teacher. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. I'm Urvashi. I'm in charge of class 3rd.
Good morning, all of you. Me, Rashmi Goyal, in charge of 2nd class. Good morning, everyone. Me, Sheetal Kajuria, in charge of 4th class.
So what a lovely performance it was. Give a huge round of applause first of all. Thank you. So I would like to ask something. Yutal ma'am, uh, it is been 9 months when there was first lockdown, and after 9 months, why you think that we should again give a message on coronavirus?
Actually, I agree 9 months have passed, but still people are not conscious. They are not taking proper precautions. So we decided that through our mind we should make aware the society as we are teachers. We can put an impact on the society. So we decided to present a mime on COVID. Thank you.
Thank you. And again, it was a nice message. So again, please give a huge round of applause for the team, Sawan Public School. Thank you.
By following good respiratory hygiene, one can protect themselves from viruses. Thank you so much, teachers. Now, it's time to play some fun and frolic games. I do agree that all the staff members are here with full of vigor, excitement, energy, and passion. For the enjoyment, I would like to call upon stage my mentors, Mrs. Shanti Sharma, Mrs. Gurbinder Kaur, and Mrs. Nirmala Jakhar. Please, teachers.
Good morning, everyone. First, I want to wish Merry Christmas to our respected IMD ma'am, respected Mr. Anurag sir, and all my colleagues and the students at home. Those are जो है live, they are watching us. And first, I want to say Merry Christmas to all of you. Now, as we all know that this year is actually a very stressful year for us, and we don't want to say a goodbye with stress to this year. So, जो है we arranged some games here so we can जो है say a happily entertaining and cheerful goodbye to 2020, and we can जो है make and we can alive some hopes in our hearts with this entertainment, with this cheerfulness, that जो है next 2021 year definitely will जो है a cheerful year and a hopeful and gracious year for all of us. Okay. There are some games actually performed by the teachers to make feel you entertain at home also. So first I want to, I would like to wish, call Mr. Anurag sir to just picking some names from the ball of the teacher so that we can aware about the names that who are the participant in first game. And the first game is actually balloon balloon dropping game. Okay, each and every teacher first have to keep balloon, and the other teachers just suck the balloon, okay, with toothpick. Or rest teachers have to save their balloons in their hands, and who will have at the last balloon in their hands, that one is the winner. Okay, sir. Now, sir, I would like to call Mr. Anurag. First one is Pallavi ma'am. Second one is Anju Nagpal ma'am. Ma'am, please come up on the stage. Anju Nagpal ma'am. Third one is Sonia ma'am. Sonia ma'am, please. Next one is Ritu Arora ma'am. Ritu Arora ma'am, please come up on the stage. Next one is Hira Rani ma'am. Hira ma'am, please come on the stage. Next one is Sharmila ma'am. Sharmila ma'am, please come on the stage. Okay, and the next is Garima ma'am. Garima ma'am, please come on the stage. Okay, next one is Kashti ma'am. Kashti ma'am, please come on the stage. Next is Muskan ma'am. Muskan ma'am, please come on the stage. Please, teachers, come on the stage and take part in this interesting game. Okay, teachers. You have to actually pick a balloon from there, and you have to save your balloon from the others. And you are having a toothpick in your hand, and you are going to just punching others' balloon. You have to save your balloon and punch others' balloon. Whose balloon is going to punch, that one is out from the game. Okay, that teacher or that participant is out from the game with punching his or her balloon. Yes, Pallavi ma'am, Garima ma'am. Yes, some teachers are looking very beautiful, all of you. Yes, toothpicks are for you. You have to save your balloon from others, and you have to punch other teachers' balloon. Yes, Muskan ma'am. Anju Nagpal ma'am. Yes, ma'am. All of you have to save your balloon in your hands, and you have to punch other teachers' balloon. It is a 1 minute game. Yes, ma'am. It is a 1 minute game. Okay. And no one can go downstairs. You have to be on stage only. Yes, it's going to start. 3, 2, 1, go. Yes, teachers, you are doing very good. Very good, ma'am. Hira ma'am, good. Garima ma'am, very good. Muskan ma'am. Yes, very good. Good, very good, ma'am. Pallavi ma'am. Yes. This is the split actually we want to see. Oh, ma'am. Yes, now we are having at last 3 teachers, Pallavi ma'am, Garima ma'am, and Thank you, teachers. Okay. The next game is actually lemon and spoon game, and this is one is actually very easiest game, and we are playing it from our childhood. We all know how to play. It is actually the game of balancing. How we can balance a lemon on spoon, and the spoon. All we know that it will be in our mouth, and I would. Yes. Now I would call to Hemant sir for giving us the names of the participant teachers with picking the chips from the board. Yes, Hemant sir. Thank you, sir. Yes, sir. The first one is Rashmi ma'am. Rashmi ma'am, please come on the stage for lemon and spoon game. And the second one is Deepak sir. Deepak sir, please come on the stage for lemon and spoon game. Third one is Urvashi ma'am. Urvashi ma'am, please come on the stage. Next ma'am is Sanjoli ma'am. Sanjoli ma'am, please come on the stage and take part in lemon and spoon game. Sanjoli ma'am, Urvashi ma'am. Next one is Nupur ma'am. Yes. Nupur ma'am. Yes, Sanjoli ma'am and Urvashi ma'am. Okay, well, we know that how this game is played. हम सबको पता है इस गेम को कैसे खेलते हैं. All you teachers well, these are two boundary lines with this. यहाँ पे दो boundary lines जो आप देख रहे हैं वो है, और आपको अपने सभी को जो है स्पून अपने मुंह के अंदर रखनी है, और लेमन का बैलेंस करते हुए जो है within 1 minute जो है जिसके मैक्सिमम राउंड हो जाएंगे, that one will be winner. Okay, within 1 minute मैक्सिमम राउंड जो टीचर कर पाएगा वो टीचर जो है वो हमारा विनर होगा लेमन एंड स्पून गेम का. Yes, teachers are selecting very wisely lemons. It looks good. Okay, teachers, come here and stand actually here in a line. Okay, and you have two rounds here. You have to go there and come back again here. With 1 minute जो है जिसमें सबसे ज़्यादा राउंड हो जाएंगे, that one will be the winner. Okay, students, watch it. It is going to be very interesting. Yes, 3, 2, 1, go. Very good, Sanjoli ma'am. You are leading Deepak sir. Very good. Very good. Yes, teachers. Very good. Keep it up. Yes. Good. Very good. Deepak sir and Sanjoli ma'am leading. They are doing very well. Yes. Urvashi ma'am is out. Oh ma'am. It's okay. Yes. Good. Okay, friends, just watch at Sanjoli ma'am how she's making balance. She knows all the tricks. Yes, good ma'am, very good. Very good ma'am. Yes, Deepak sir. Very good. Just look at Deepak sir's concentration. How is he working, Hemant? It's really very good, sir. Very good, ma'am. Yes, last 5 seconds are here now. Come on, teacher. 3, 2, 1, and go! And here we are having the first winner is Sanjoli ma'am with maximum rounds. And the second winner is Deepak sir with the second highest round. Very interesting sir. बहुत अच्छा लगा आप लोगों का कंसंट्रेशन और बैलेंस देख के। स्पेशली संजोली मैम का बैलेंस बनाना और दीपक सर का कंसंट्रेशन वो बहुत ही अच्छा था देखने में। एंड बोथ ऑफ यू आल्सो आप लोगों ने बहुत अच्छा किया। थैंक यू टीचर्स। Thank you, teachers. Okay, now here is the third and the last game. And for the third game, I would like to call MD ma'am for giving us the names of the teachers with this game, for this game. And actually this game is straw and thermocol balls game. What teachers or what participants have to do, they have to keep straw in their mouth and they have to suck the ball, the thermocol ball from one bowl and they have to collect it from the another bowl. जिस टीचर की मैक्सिमम जो है नेक्स्ट बॉल में एम्प्टी बॉल में थर्मोकोल बॉल्स जो है वो कलेक्ट हो जाएंगी, दैट विल बी द विनर. थैंक यू मैम. मैम इज हियर. Yes, first one is Hemant sir. Hemant sir, please come on the stage and take part in it. Second one is Anil sir. Okay, Anil sir is not there. Next one is Richa ma'am. Richa ma'am, come on the stage. Next one is Ajay Loda sir. Ajay Loda sir, please come on the stage. Next is Mamta ma'am. Mamta ma'am, come on. And you tell Chaitra Mamta ma'am is here. Next is Ankita ma'am. Okay, next is Shivani Kalra ma'am. Come on ma'am. Come on the stage. Yes. At one time, 2 teachers will take part in it. Okay, we are having 6 teachers and at one time 2 teachers will take part in it. एक बार में 2 टीचर्स एक साथ जो है वो गेम को प्ले करेंगे. 4 teachers having 2 bowls. One is full of thermocol balls and the second one is empty bowl. They have to suck the thermocol balls from the one bowl with their mouth and they have to throw it and collect it in the empty bowl. This is actually the game. I hope now it's clear. Hemant sir, Shivani ma'am and Richa ma'am. We are having Okay, here we go. Teachers, I hope you know what you have to do. I'm going to जो है countdown and it is 1 minute game. ये 1 मिनट का गेम है. 1 मिनट में जो मैक्सिमम थर्मोकोल कलेक्ट कर लेगा, that one will be the winner. Okay, Richa ma'am, Hemant sir, Shivani ma'am. 3, 2, 1, go. Yes, yes, teachers. Very good, very good. Richa ma'am having 3 in her bowl. Shivani ma'am having 4. Hemant sir having 10. Hemant sir is winning. Good sir, keep it up. Richa ma'am, Shivani ma'am, you have to do more effort. It's competing Hemant sir. Hemant sir is winning 4, 5 balls at a time. 2 balls. Very good sir. Good Richa ma'am. Very good Shivani ma'am. Very good. Three, 2, 1, and stop. Yes. Okay, I am counting now. Okay, Richa ma'am having 25 balls. Very good, ma'am. Okay, Shivani ma'am having 15 balls. Sorry, ma'am.
And lastly, Hemant sir is the winner.
Okay, Hemant sir is clear winner. He is having 38 balls in her ball. Hemant sir is winner and Richa ma'am is actually attacking it. Okay, second. Yes, second winner, Lulu. Yes, now we are having a second round participants. Ajay Toda sir, where are you sir? Ajay Toda sir, come on the stage sir, and take part in straw and thermocol balls game. Okay, next is Sheetal ma'am. Sheetal ma'am. Sheetal ma'am, where are you? And Anupama Batra ma'am, please come on the stage. Please ma'am, come on the stage and take part in our second round. Okay, teacher. What do I have to do? Yes, teacher. What do I have to do? I hope that it is clear to you. Okay, you have to keep straw in your mouth and you have to suck a thermocol roll and you can collect it into the empty mouth. It is a 1 minute game. Yes, Anupama ma'am, Ajay sir, Mamta ma'am, wait. I'm going to count it. Yes. Yes, okay. Ajay sir is performing too. Okay. 3, 2, 1, go, start. Good, very good, Mamta ma'am. Mamta ma'am is trying. Very good. Okay, Ajay sir is trying good. Anupama ma'am, you are also doing good. Okay, Anupama ma'am is also making like Hemant sir. She is making 3 more balls at a time. Yes, Ajay sir ने भी अपनी काउंटिंग काफी बढ़ा दी है, काफी सारी balls हो गई हैं इनके हाथ में. last 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, stop. Okay, let's see how many balls are there. Mamta ma'am is having 26 balls. Very good, ma'am. Anupma ma'am is having in her ball 24 balls. And Ajay sir, when it's tough to count, please help me. Okay, Ajay sir is our second round winner. He is having a ball 63 balls. 63. Okay, and in this game, actually, Raja sir is winner and Hemant sir is our second place. Yes, Ajay sir wants to say something.
किसकी फूक में कितना है दम?
Absolutely, sir. Okay. Third round. I want to call Rajni ma'am. Rajni ma'am, please come on the stage and take part in third round of throw and thermocol game. Vital ma'am. Vital ma'am. Please sir. Please sir, please come on the stage. Any other teacher who wants to take part in it?
Good morning, everyone. Yes, there are 3 participants for the next game. First one is Sunil sir. Sunil sir, our English teacher. Second is again Sunil sir, our resource person. And the third one is Archana ma'am. Archana ma'am. Archana ma'am, please. यस, इस गेम के मैं रूल क्लियर कर दूं टीचर्स आपको। यहाँ पर गेम्स हैं, आपने 1 गेम एट अ टाइम, एक बार एक ही गेम उठानी है और बकेट में जाके डालनी है। 1 मिनट में जो टीचर मैक्सिमम गेम्स उस बकेट में डालेगा, he or she will be the winner. क्लियर? यस, रूल क्लियर है सर आपको मैम? ओके। Balls इनके पीछे पड़ी हैं. There are plenty of balls are here. So one by one they have to pick the ball and put it in that bucket. जो teacher 1 मिनट में maximum balls buckets में डालेगा, he will be the winner. He or she. Yes, and the time limit is 1 minute. Yes, time. 1, start. Yes, very good, very good. बकेट के अंदर वाली बॉल काउंट होंगी सर, बकेट के बाहर की बॉल काउंट नहीं होंगी। Time up. Okay. Thank you, teachers. Wait, we'll count the ball. Yes, Sunil sir, 11 balls. Very good. Clap for him. Sunil sir, 11. Sunil sir, English teacher, 10 balls. And Archana ma'am, 9 balls. And the winner is Sunil sir, our resource person. Yes, clap for Sunil sir. Congratulations sir. Thank you Archana ma'am, Sunil sir.
Thank you so much, mentors. And the winners of all the game is, first of all, Miss Pallavi for the first game. And with me, who's the winner? Sharmila ma'am. And for second game, Ajay sir, Hemant sir. And for the third game, winner is Sunil sir. Congratulations, winners. Thank you so much, mentors. You can leave the stage now. Ladies and gentlemen, now it's the time for devotional songs, spiritual movements. I would like to invite Mr. Deepak Sharma, respected teacher. Please come on the stage for your devotional song. And this is the last one. Everyone, please enjoy. It's a Christmas. Clap, everyone.
हेलो
सांवरी सूरत पे मोहन दिल दीवाना हो गया। सांवरी सूरत पे मोहन दिल दीवाना हो गया। दिल दीवाना हो गया, मेरा दिल दीवाना हो गया। दिल दीवाना हो गया, मेरा दिल दीवाना हो गया। सांवरी सूरत पे मोहन दिल दीवाना हो गया। एक तो तेरे नैन तिरछे, दूसरा काजल लगा। एक तो तेरे नैन तिरछे, दूसरा काजल लगा। तीसरा नजरे मिलाना, दिल दीवाना हो गया। तीसरा नजरे मिलाना, दिल दीवाना हो गया। सांवरी सूरत पे मोहन दिल दीवाना हो गया। एक तो तेरे होठ पतले, दूसरा काली लगी। एक तो तेरे होठ पतले, दूसरा काली लगी। तीसरा तेरा मुस्कुराना, दिल दीवाना हो गया। सांवरी सूरत पे मोहन दिल दीवाना हो गया। दिल दीवाना हो गया। दिल दीवाना हो गया।
Thank you so much, sir. Really, this song has created past atmosphere in the campus. Now, I just wanna thank, in the end, I just wanna thank you to my wonderful audience. We hope that we have been a glad, good host equally. Once again, I just wanna thank to organizers, teachers, students, our administrator, Honorable Mr. Anurag Purana, our MD, thank you so much. And at the end, I just want to wish you all a Merry Christmas to you and your family. Thank you, everyone. Merry Christmas.